everybody, Assalamu alaikum and adab, good afternoon. This is Maliha in the Masud speaking in front of you. Today I have come here guys, as you can see. Actually guys, today I would like to ask you one important question to you that is really incredible, that how is going your English speaking. Yes guys, today this video is going very special and effective to you all guys. Those who are watching this video, I'm pretty good as well. Actually guys, my English speaking going very fantastic. Every single day I'm trying my best. I'm working hard. That is why nowadays I don't have any problem to speak in English while I'm speaking. Actually guys, I have asked this question because how is going your speaking. I have watched so many video on our Facebook page that you're really doing very great. You're making blog video every single day, every little by little you're trying much more and you're giving your best, and that is why you're really enhanced your spoken English. And really I think I'm saying you by bottom of my heart, one day you can overcome your hesitation. And I have seen some of people, they're feeling a little bit hesitation while they're speaking, and I think that it will remove one day, because nowadays they're trying much more and they're making blog video every single day. And like this way, I think one day it will come, then it will remove their hesitation. Actually guys, it has also happened to me. That's why I'm saying you that one day it has removed and nowadays there is no any kind of problem. So that is why I'm saying you. Actually I think you didn't guess it one day, because I don't know what type of tips you're following right now, and at present what are you following. But if you're guys really doing great, so really you must have to think about your accent, because nowadays it is really important for our day-to-day life. Because as we have thought that how we have to speak in English, we know after learning English we have to speak in English every single day. So we have to apply our speaking, how to speak with people, how to communicate with people. But nowadays we have to thought about the other method, that we have to make a schedule that every single day what will we make, and with apart from our studying, as some of people, those who are student, and I'm also a student, so apart from our studying we have to think that we have to make a schedule like this way, continuously we have to make video for enhancing our communication skill as well as our spoken English. So guys, have you thought ever that nowadays what type of accent you use while you're speaking? Yes guys, I have seen so many people, they're not interested about their accent, because they always think that no need to follow any kind of accent. I don't know what's their mind, what they're thinking. Their thinking is totally different from their other person. I'm also different than others. That is why I'm saying you, I don't know what's their mind. Actually guys, you know, we are human beings, so how we can think overthink, so we can't think it. So that is why I'm saying you really. But if you try much more to pronounce all of the words correctly, nobody in the world won't be able to catch your wrong. And if they will catch their wrong, definitely you have to always think that it is a positive way, it is not a wrong way. Yes guys, nowadays I will suggest one thing, and you can take as a suggestion that I'm an English learner. I can give you that if you try much more, when you fall in danger, you never give up. In your mind, one word will express all the things that you never ever give up. Because I have ever seen and I have heard that those who always think that they won't be able to learn English, there is no overconfidence. But if they don't give up it, really it is very great to us and great all of the peoples. If they don't give up, if they continue all the time, all the day long, really they can achieve it. It doesn't matter for anyone. Yes, it doesn't matter, but for beginners, huge thing, it's a universe, it's a difficult task. Actually guys, there was no any kind of specific topic. That is why I'm here and I'm speaking. Actually you have to guess it, that how I'm speaking all the time. If you guess what type of accent, I'll give you a long video that will very great video to you, and really you'll be so excellent. So thank you so much for watching that video. If you would like to make this type of video, so please comment and share this type of video, Muwaj and Maliha English tour. If you share it, so you'll get much more video than grow your English journey. Goodbye.